Hey guys, welcome to I Want to Do That. It's been about 10 years since we filmed a video, so we figured we'd better put something together for you guys. In the meantime, we've been moving into our new shop. Definitely still in the move-in process. We got to call the electricians out. They didn't even finish the lights, and you know, we're running off extension cords. Ridiculous. Damn electricians. So, a long time ago, I had a badass coffee table at our old house. And when we moved, I managed to break this coffee table, which my wife loved very much. So now we've got some free time. We're gonna try and rebuild this coffee table. We're gonna use the legs that were on it because they're these cool metal legs here. We're gonna sandblast them. We're gonna try and recoat them. We went and picked up some walnut earlier from the hardwood store. We're still getting some sand outside though. Find some more bits? Look at you. Yep, sure enough.
I'm missing.
That was.
Somebody stole them.
No. Didn't say that.
You guys lost them in the move.
No, I didn't say that either. This guy. Oh, did I? You see that?
Ooh, look at that. Would you just look at that?
Just look at it, sir.
Almost PRO professional.
Oh no, you didn't. You get sawdust all over my new shop. Sir, where's your sawhorse at? Just in case we get any splits or any of that.
Smart thinking.
And then we take that and run it right down the middle, like
okay.
Through the table saw.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, what's our width?
Going through right now, swapping the grain around, trying to figure out what we like and what looks best. So I think we decided to go with the opposing grains. So basically this row is flowing this, the next two rows would be flowing the opposite way, and then back and forth all the way down. Our goal here was for a 30-inch inset onto our table. So basically all I've done right here is I took and marked our center. This is just for measuring because this is the top of it. When we go to route it out, we'll flip it over and do it on the bottom. I marked our center, and I'm just gonna kind of measure out and make sure we've got our 30 inches all the way around. So basically 15 inches from the center. You can check all the shortest points. So like right there, we've got our more than 1/4 inch overhang like we wanted. Same thing, 15, got more than 1/4 inch overhang. Pretty good, huh? Yeah. That's pretty good. It's a finishing touch. Finishing touch. Who taught you how to iron, boy? No one. I need a chair too. Y'all suck. Right there. Here, hold this. Ah! There you go. All right, so here is the finished product. Got the legs sandblasted and painted with the Rustoleum forged hammer. We've got a walnut inset, just 3/4 inch walnut, laminated, and maple ply outside with walnut banding. And then finished it off with total boat epoxy, tabletop epoxy, and it really really came out good. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. And did you have anything to add? It really came out good. Thanks for watching.